Okay guys, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning. Hi Hero. We got a massive storm coming in. As you can see, the sun is coming up. But you can barely see it. Trying to catch some of this lightning. Sorry for that. There was something. Trying to get struck by myself. Get ready. Deep. Kinda scary. Say hi, Hera. Hi, good morning. Like I said, it's getting brighter. It's still dark. Go lay down.